I want to start today a little differently. Before we talk about English, before we talk about learning or progress or any of that, I just want to say something to you directly. Something I mean completely. I am really proud of you. Not because your English is perfect, not because you study every day without missing a single one, but because you are here. You pressed play. You chose to spend a few minutes of your day listening, learning, trying. And that, honestly, matters more than you know. So before anything else, thank you. Really. Now, let's talk. Hi, I'm Luna, and welcome to English with Luna. This is your space, a quiet, safe, warm place where you can just breathe and listen. No pressure, no tests, no judgment. I'm so happy you are here with me today. Today, I want to talk about something that I think a lot of people feel, but rarely say out loud. That feeling of being far away. Far away from fluency, far away from confidence, far away from the version of yourself that speaks English naturally and easily. That feeling of looking at the road ahead and thinking, I have so much left to go. I know that feeling. I have felt it myself in more than one language, more than one time. And I want to tell you today, as honestly and as warmly as I can, that you are much closer than you think. Not almost there, not a little closer than before, much closer. And today, I want to show you why. Here is something I want you to try right now. Think back to the very first moment you started learning English. Maybe you were a child in a classroom. Maybe you were an adult who decided to start on your own. Maybe you just started recently. Think about what English felt like then. Did it sound like noise? Did the words blur together? Did you look at a sentence and feel completely lost? Now, think about right now, right this second. You are listening to me speak English. You are following what I am saying. You are understanding. Not every single word, maybe, but enough. Enough to be here. Enough to follow the conversation. Enough to feel something when I speak. That is not nothing. That is everything. That is the entire journey happening right in front of you. And sometimes we forget to stop and notice it. I want to tell you something about the way progress feels, because I think this is one of the most important things I can share with you. Progress in English almost never feels like progress while it is happening. It feels like nothing. It feels like the same difficult thing day after day with no visible change. And then, one day, something small happens. Maybe you understand a joke before the laughing starts. Maybe you catch a word in a song that you always missed before. Maybe someone speaks to you in English and you answer without thinking, without translating, without panicking, and you only realize it afterward. And you think, wait, when did that happen? When did that become easy? It happened quietly while you were busy showing up every day and telling yourself you weren't making progress. That is how language learning works. Invisible for a long time, and then suddenly, beautifully, undeniable. I also want to say something about the moments when it feels really hard, because those moments will come, and maybe some of you are in one of those moments right now. The days when English feels impossible. The days when you feel like you have forgotten more than you have learned. The days when you watch someone speak English confidently and you feel like you will never get there. On those days, I want you to remember one thing. Hard days are not signs that you are failing. They are signs that you are in the middle of something. And being in the middle of something, as uncomfortable as it feels, means you started. It means you are going. And if you are going, you will get there. Maybe not today, maybe not next week, but you will get there. I am completely sure of that. You know what I find really beautiful about language learning? The fact that every single person who ever became fluent in English, every teacher, every translator, every confident speaker you have ever admired, Every single one of them was exactly where you are right now at some point. Sitting somewhere, listening, wondering if they would ever get there, feeling far away, feeling unsure, and they kept going. Not because they were special, not because they had more talent or more time or a better method. They kept going because they decided to. And that decision, that simple, quiet, daily decision to keep going, is available to you too, right now, today. So, here's what I want you to do before you close this video. I want you to think of one thing, just one, that you can do in English today. Something small, something gentle, something that feels possible. Listen to one song. Read 3 sentences. Write one comment. Say one thought out loud in English, even if no one is listening. Just one thing. Because one thing today, and one thing tomorrow, and one thing the day after that is how you get there. Not in a rush, not all at once, but steadily and surely, in your own time, at your own pace, in your own beautiful way. You are closer than you think. I truly believe that, and I will be here cheering for you every single step of the way. Tell me in the comments, how are you feeling about your English today? Honestly, I want to know, because this space is not just about learning English, it's about feeling supported while you do. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here with me today. Take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. And I'll see you in the next episode of English with Luna.